Sometimes we spend so much time taking care of everyone else, our families, our homes, and our responsibilities. Come to realize how important it is to take a moment to take care of ourselves. As a woman, one of the simple ways I do that is by preparing fresh, nourishing juices at home. Today, I am making a juice with pomegranate and beetroot, a simple combination that creates a rich, vibrant drink. Pomegranate is known for its antioxidant, and beetroot is often associated with supporting blood health and energy level. For me, wellness is not about complicated routines. Sometimes it's just about small daily choices like this. And this is one of the ways I take care of my body. If you like it here, stay with me.